You're watching the KHSC Weekly Wrap-Up. I'm Erin Briscoe-Clark. This semester, career technical education students are stepping out of the classroom and into the community.
Everything that comes into the warehouse and goes out of the warehouse, they've got their hands on it.
Students in the Logistics and Distribution Program at CTEC are clocking in as unpaid interns at the Quinn Company in North Bakersfield as part of community classroom training.
I wanted to go into like a trade and like a blue-collar job.
This unique opportunity provides students with real-world, hands-on experiences to develop not only their hard skills, but soft skills.
Over at CTEC, I'm working with students, but compared to here, I'm working with people who are actual adults, not actual students who I'm familiar with, so it's a big difference.
Early in the year, students in the program learn day-to-day operations of warehouse distribution centers in preparation of entering the workforce.
The first semester, we're a logistics and distribution program. We're going over what's called the CLA, so Certified Logistics Associate. So in class, students are learning how product flows through a supply chain. So how something starts as a raw material and then ends up as your door, as a package that you purchased online. And so within my program, we have a 10,000 square foot warehouse that we use as a lab. We have 8 different forklifts that the students are going to get certified on. And we also partner with West Tech to provide safety trainings to the students.
The Quinn Company is just one of the established networks of over 200 business and industry partners that provide community classroom training at their business during the second semester.
Personal to me because I started as a warehouse worker. And then I worked my way up through the ranks, became a branch manager several years ago. But you know, that's a starting point for everybody. It's an entry-level job. But if you apply yourself, work hard, you're given more opportunity, and you can make a career out of it.
So Kern County is rapidly becoming one of the largest distribution hubs in the entire nation. And so students that are taking this program or entering this field, there's going to be numerous career opportunities for them here in Kern County.
Former students like Ephraim Madeira have already reaped the benefits of the program and community partnerships.
Currently, I'm working on a scraper, so we're taking the engine out and we're going to be putting a brand new engine.
The Quinn Company hired Ephraim after he completed his community classroom internship and graduated from high school. Currently, he's going through the company's Think Big Technician training program and will be a certified diesel technician in 6 months.
I would say just keep working hard. If you join the program, I mean, I came with no experience at all, and it was just a wonderful time. Just enjoy it. Just prove yourself.
To learn more about the Logistics and Distribution Program and other CTE programs available, please visit roc.kernhigh.org.